This 1-acre property in Marion County, Florida, can be yours for $500 down. Located in the established Rainbow Lake Estates, this family-friendly community offers a quiet setting and many nearby lakes, parks, and hiking trails. The lot is zoned for site-built homes, modular homes, or log cabin homes. Electricity is available in the area, but will require installation. A septic system and well are required. There are no HOA fees, and the property taxes are $188 per year. Owner financing is available. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Marion County, Florida. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.